The demonstration video for measuring the contact angle of cat fur and whisker. Step 1. Measure the surface tension in water using the ADSA method. The surface tension value is 71 millimeters per meter, which shows that the measuring system is clean. Step 2. Adjust the focus of the lens and the working distance. Adjust the focus by turning the micrometer. Adjust the working distance by positioning the stage. The final appearance. Step 3. Measure the contact angle of a sample of cat fur. The contact angle value of cat fur is 22 degrees using the ADSA method. Step 4. Measure the contact angle of a sample of a cat's whisker. The contact angle value of a cat's whisker is 37 degrees using the ADSA method.